This review is of Wellness Core Grain-Free Protein-Rich Nutrition Indoor Salmon and Herring Meal Recipe for Cats. Wow, that's a mouthful. So it's cat food. And now this has no meat byproducts, which is good. No fillers, which is good. No, although I would argue that putting vegetables and stuff like that in here is filler. No artificial preservatives or flavors. Supports leaner body mass from 57% high quality protein ingredients, although the crude analysis does not support this claim of 50%, 7%. That's what they claim. Poultry free, joint support with added glucosamine, hydrochloride, and chondroitin sulfate. Quality assured, made in USA with finest globally sourced ingredients. And the wellness way. So it sounds like, based on what this little sticker here says, aside from unrivaled quality standards, uncompromising nutrition, family owned, supporting pets in need. So supporting pets in need suggests to me that they do some work in charity related to animals. Okay, so there's not a lot on this side here. Not really nothing new. Over here, there's the feeding instructions, and it does specify that this is for cats over a year of age, but not for kittens or pregnant or nursing mothers, mother cats, that is. And it does give recommendations on how to transition it to Wellness Core. And here are the instructions for cats by weight. On the bottom, wish my daughter would eat her pineapple. On the bottom, we have got this. 100% satisfaction guaranteed. I'm sure that cat lovers love that. Wellness Foundation. So there's the charity that they've got, I guess. Information about their company and their patents. The majority of the information, however, is on the back. We'll start with the blurb on the top here, which explains a few things. Let's see if I can... There we go. There we go. Now you can see it better, I think. I hope. And I can also see it. So weight management, omega health, because they've got omega-3. Now, you will want to pay attention to the fact that unlike some other companies, this company has actually attempted to meet the standards set by the AAFCO cat food nutrient profiles. So there are other companies out there that don't even bother to do this, but this company has tried. High protein, grain free. It's grain free, but it's not free of vegetables and tubers and legumes and stuff. It's infused with antioxidants, balanced controlled minerals, living food with Acticoat. I'm not sure what that means exactly, but okay. The bag is TerraCyclable. No wheat, gluten, corn, soy, eggs, artificial preservatives, colors, or flavors. I'm not sure what's wrong with having eggs in here. Maybe if somebody can explain to me why they wouldn't use eggs in here. Because cats in the wild would eat eggs. The ingredients list is incredibly long. But you'll notice that the top 1, 2, 3 out of the 4 top ingredients are actually from fish. And they've got the peas and the pea protein and the ground flaxseed and the pea fiber and the tomato pomace, the canola oil, natural fish flavor, choline chloride, cranberries. Oh my God, the list goes on and on and on. And I'm not entirely sure that all these ingredients actually need to be in here. I'm not an expert on this topic, but certainly cats don't eat kelp. They don't eat yucca. And there are other things on here that probably don't need to be in this product. like L. acidophilus and L. casei fermentation product, and Enterococcus faecium. I don't know if any of these dried products that have these bacteria in them are going to benefit cats or not. I would hope so, but I don't know. Rosemary extract? Why? Cats don't extract rosemary and then eat it. And green tea and spearmint? Yeah. Okay, so what's important here is we look at this. And as you can see, according to the crude analysis, or guaranteed analysis, there's 38% protein as opposed to their claim of 57%. Still, 38% isn't bad. 10% fat. Now, if we think about, previously I did a video on some research I looked at where they gave cats access to protein, fat, and carbohydrates. And what I discovered was that cats tend to look for the opportunity to get about 50-something% protein, 30-something% fat, and then 11% carbs, which is interesting because it's 11% for the 3 studies I looked at where they gave cats access to all 3 sources. Now, unfortunately, in the guaranteed analyses used to list the amount of carbs in them, but no longer does, which I think is a shame. I think it should list carbs because there are companies out there that are producing cat foods that are mostly carbs, which is not good for cats. You should not be giving your cats kibble or wet food that is high in carbs. Cats don't need a lot of carbs. They need a lot of protein. So let's just say maybe 3/5 of it should be protein, and then 2/5 of it, I guess, should be fat, and then 1/5 of it should be the carbs. But if you're looking here, you want to look for a gap like this between the crude fat and the protein, and then hopefully the carbs will not, when you look at the ingredients list, you should not see carbs listed in the top. Now, peas do have carbs, and potatoes have tons of carbs. So I am a little bit concerned about this product because it looks like there could be a lot of carbs in here, but again, there's no listing of that. So this does seem to be a good product. My cat does eat it. I did try one of their wet salmon foods, and my cat would not eat it at all, which was very frustrating for me. I mean, it's not a cheap product. He just sniffed it and licked it a little bit, but he'll eat pure salmon, but he wouldn't eat the Wellness Core salmon pate that I got him, and he used to like eating pate. So I don't think it's a matter of it's pate. All right, so does he love it? No, I wouldn't say that he loves it. Does he eat it? Yes, he will eat it, but it's not his preference. And in my video comparing this and the other 3 here, you will find out more about that. So that's it for me. Really, I'm going to give this a thumbs up. I'm not going to say how good I think it is because I really am not entirely sure how good it is. But I think it's definitely something worth considering. Thanks for watching, and I hope you have a great day.